Yeah, look at them goggles, dog. Oh, snap. Sir Gregoriah, the 25th,
What?
is preparing for some major fiberage.
Fibers?
Yeah.
The build list got longer.
I mean, it's gonna be all shit that I'm doing anyway.
Anything we can add to just make it.
I didn't put up much of a fight.
Yeah.
No, we're definitely not doing that. Well, we'll make the cages here. Okay, we'll do it.
So he's gonna cut off the roof and make a carbon fiber roof.
Damn. This shit is full of sound dumping.
Looking like nice Subaru vape shop hangout area right now.
Yeah, what vape is that? Well, it's just rubber.
Greg dreams of sushi.
Nasty.
Got that Smith & Wesson. This way's better for our lungs.
Yeah. If you can't tell from the background.
Good for your soul.
Not better for the fish.
Smoked out toad in the back.
You're smoked out.
Yo, Ted's been chilling up there for a while.
It's a nice fillet.
Oh yeah. Well, it's not a fillet, it's an eel.
You guys need to read that, listen to that podcast with like Neil deGrasse Tyson when he was on Joe Rogan's thing. Talking about not having a case on his phone, flipping it around.
I'm lost.
I flip a lot of dangerous stuff around, so then I never drop shit.
Yeah.
Cut to videos of me dropping shit.
So should I just fix this dent normal?
Yeah, and then maybe just sand these little weird things.
I'll just sand the whole thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So you said
I mean, well, I would leave the sections that are perfect. See how the fuck they are. I'll just sand that dent side section and that. So while Greg's fixing the little dent and imperfections in the roof, we have enough material around the outside of the part on all three of the other sides, but the front where the windshield is, there's not enough of a lip for the mold. So I'm just gonna cut this piece of aluminum a little big, bring it over there, trim it up a little bit, and then we're gonna maybe like epoxy it in just to make a flange for the new mold for the roof.
Quality.
It's really wobbly. This is stuff we use for your floor.
Oh yeah. Do we have so much extra aluminum in there?
It's always good. We have like,
Because I have my old sheet.
6 4-foot by 8-foot sheets of aluminum.
Yeah, look at them goggles, dog. Oh snap. Man,
Safety
legit.
first, kids.
Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up?
Dude, you remind me of the dude from Hot Rod right now. So it's that good flange material.
Great flange material.
I like that. I like that positivity there.
I'm excited to see how fast we can we just came up with this idea of carbon
Literally.
roof, seeing how fast we can get it cut off.
The motivation to give grade.
Well, so today we're gonna try to,
Make the mold for it.
yeah. So
Tonight, you mean.
at
Not
6
today. We don't have a whole day. We have a few
6:30 p.m. we decided.
Okay, you want to take that tape?
Yeah. What is car need the way?
Really? That's how you know you don't detail your car.
Yeah.
Des.
Nope.
Oh my god.
That's how you know you ain't a real detailer.
Really walk
We used to detail back in the day.
Yeah.
That's how we started here. We were detailers.
A little detail.
Actually, no, we were cleaners.
Yeah. Let me get some more of that.
And then detailers. I once went to an enterprise and wait, you were there when Zach cleaned the shit out of the one, right?
Yeah.
There was shit in a rental car.
Somebody
He cleaned
rented
it
a
up.
car.
I went to one and they had somebody had like a wing eating competition in a Dodge Charger. And there were fucking wings everywhere and
What?
dude, yeah, it was gross. I literally just walked back in and I'm like, yep, it's all done. They paid me and then I never went back to that enterprise. I didn't touch that shit. They paid like $35 a car. I would just go in there and I would spray paint the whole interior. I'd vacuum it out and I'm not scrubbing these stains. I remember one time I had an Impala. I completely changed the color scheme in the car. I was like, I think it needs like a tan seats and then chocolate carpet. So I spray painted the floor brown. I'm pretty sure it was all tan. It looked sick when it was done though. It looked way better than stock.
Step 1.
Well, we're at like step 12.
Step nobody knows.
We'll go 12. I think 12.
Wax on. Wax off.
So at the very end, we'll just fill these with wax. We'll just go in and like glob them. Even with the spreader or something.
Razor.
Oh, because you want those for indents?
We want the indents there just so you can.
See it, but
Line
we want
'em up.
them to be filled that the shit doesn't get caught in there.
Precisely. Alright, so next we gotta spray PVA release film.
All that carnauba wax. It's not carnauba wax. What is it? I don't want to give
Partle
you
paste.
misinformation. Partle paste.
So we got orange tooling gel coat here in our cup. My gel coat spraying gun thing just connects right to the cap of this cup. We got 400 grams of orange tooling gel coat. And we want to do 2%, anywhere between 1.5 to 2.5%. 1.5 if it's really hot out, and 2.5 if it's like freezing. Not freezing, but let's see. This is why you need a accurate scale. All right, so I'm gonna mix this up, grab my respirator, and get in there.
It looks like alien blood.
Whatever, dude.
It like remember the little grunts from Halo?
Yeah.
It was grunt blood.
Drunk blood. We should do an entire episode on making some molds, and we'll only call it other weird stuff. So this is poly resin, which is like not as flexible and not as expensive as epoxy resin, but this makes it perfect for molds.
Love it. You want to do another one? Maybe not as full. Half? No, I mean, 3/4.
Yay. What are you making? Three cups of resin?
No, just 2 for right now, but mix up more. How many more do you think I'm going to need? Okay. Yes, for now. I forget what percentage.
Too much advanced technology for you guys?
You can leave it. We might need making more. God, dude, my wrist.
From what?
1.25%. What? 1.25? Yeah. What's nice is you can kind of stretch it and like press it down and it'll actually still conform nice. Yeah. On top of the one coat of resin? On top of this, yeah. But one thing of resin? One thing of resin, put the mat on, then resin on top of that. That would be good. So you're doing the same mix of resin? Yeah, we'll just keep going. We won't wait for the drying. We could technically keep going through all of them. That's what I did on my molds. But it'll take a while. Good. Well, I'm going to start it off with 350. Yeah, I mean, I can end that. Alright, so we're going to let this dry overnight, and then we'll come back in a few days, fast forward a few days, do a cool spin or something.
I can just keep following its lips as long as it's liquids. We'll just flip it right over. Good. You have to do something with the back edge a little bit.
Oh, does this need to be rinsed?
Yeah.
You can't even see the green stuff on here.
No.